And I will also link the, I will also place a link. I will also place a, not also.
Good morning, good morning. I just want to say thank you right now to my subscribers, old, and when I say old, I mean loyal and true, and also to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I have a question for you. What are you waiting on? It's free and it's beneficial. We can spend a little bit of time together every now and then. Other reason for talking to you this morning is to let you know that this week I only recorded 2 of my outfits, and that's Thursday and Friday. And I'm hoping that you will be okay with that. I will place a link right up here for my, what I'll call my supplemental video, where I spent a meager amount of money for 3 outfits at the Banana Republic. Without further ado, let's watch the video.